Back at Naturopath, thanks for coming back to my channel. Now, CanXida Restore is temporarily out of stock. It's incredible what happened. We had such a demand for this product over the COVID period. So we got rushed off our feet. The people that have worked with me, the team that have been working with me for some time now, have mentioned an unprecedented demand for particularly CanXida Remove and Restore, but also for Rebuild. So we've gone crazy. The people have just gone ballistic out there. So we never had any idea that the product was going to be so popular. So CanXida Restore has been reformulated now a few times. The new formulation has proved to be so successful. Boom, it's just gone. So don't worry, it's coming back in stock, but it'll be a few weeks away yet. But I'll promise you guys out there that the people who really want this product will be getting it, but also we're going to offer a special discount for people when we get it back in stock, just to show that we are good people. So yeah, COVID-19 held things up. The people who make our products, they've got a much longer time now, manufacturing time. The demand has increased. We've had some shipping issues, but all of these things are minor. The main thing is for people to stay safe out there, eat good food, get plenty of sleep, and don't stress about things, you know. The product will come back in stock. So my apologies about the delay. So yeah, we've had incredibly good feedback from the product. I was going to read you out some feedback from it, but I can't find it. But if you go to YouTube, if you look at the CanXida videos, you'll see people are commenting, particularly on Restore and Remove, on the kind of results they've had with these products. I mean, these kind of results speak for themselves. The reorder rate for the product has been amazing, but so has been the demand, particularly from the UK, from Singapore, from different places. We've had a lot of people really wanting these products. So my apologies again if we've run out of stock. We're working really hard to get the stock levels built back up again, but many companies unfortunately are facing a bit of headwind, of course, you know, with this COVID thing. But I can assure you all, it'll be back to business again before you know it. So I'm sorry about that.